this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this ECM Technika here. So this machine just had a problem with overheating, and what I found actually is that it was missing both of its safety thermostats, and so I replaced those. I actually just put two brand new ones on there. Here you can see some of the wiring from that. And then I also replaced the control board. So here's the old one. This is what was causing the machine to overheat, and normally those thermostats would cut off the power, but actually they just were completely missing. So now that I have both of those installed, I also installed a flow control per customer request. So here's that old mushroom valve, and I replaced it with the new one and flow control on the top. So I'll just show you that really quick. You can see here we have it completely closed, open. Again, this is a heat exchanger, so you'll see a little bit of steam there. Now I'll pull the shot. This is just our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to the machine. So this could be ground a little finer for this machine, or even I could put more coffee in there. This is just to show you that it works. You can see that moves, pressure changes there. Okay, so you can see crema on that shot, kind of a big shot of espresso, but it's okay. Here's the hot water and the steam. Okay, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.